Good morning, all of you. Today we will learn a very beautiful topic, that is the Hindu Succession Amendment Act of 2005. And we are taking this topic from class 6 SSD. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act of 2005. तो ये हिंदू संशोधन अधिकार अधिनियम 2005 ये क्या कहता है, that we learn it here. So before we enter into this topic, we learn some term here related to this topic, which will be very helpful to us to understand the topic well. First, we will see this for the inherit. Inherit means there is अधिकार में प्राप्त करना, यानी विरासत में प्राप्त करना. But in English there is here you see to receive money, property or a title from somebody when they pass away. Next term, there is what succession. Succession means there is uttaradhikar, a process by which someone inherits or gets ownership of someone's property, such as lands, after they pass away. Third term that we see here, amendment means sanshadhan. A change, C-H-A-N-G-E, a change, C-H-A-N-G-E, change. A change or an alteration made to a document, law, proposal or statement. That is what we call the amendment or sanshadhan. Act means there is the adhiniyam, a law made by a government. Earlier, in some areas, women were not allowed to inherit land from their fathers or husbands. After the death of the male family members who owned land, only his sons could inherit the land. This meant that women were often excluded from owning property and had limited control over land-based resources. पहले कुछ क्षेत्र में महिलाओं को अपने पिता या पति से जमीन विरासत में नहीं मिलती थी. जमीन के मालिक परिवार के पुरुष सदस्य की मृत्यु के बाद केवल उसके बेटे ही जमीन विरासत में पा सकते थे. इसका मतलब यह था कि महिलाओं को अक्सर संपत्ति के स्वामित्व से बाहर रखा जाता था और भूमि आधारित संसाधनों पर उनका नियंत्रण सीमित होता था. However, the law has now been changed. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act of 2005 ensures that a man's daughters, sons and wife can each receive an equal shares of the land after the death of the male family member who owned the land. हालांकि अब कानून में बदलाव किया गया है. हिंदू आधारित संशोधन अधिनियम 2005 यह सुनिश्चित करता है कि भूमि के मालिक पुरुष परिवार के सदस्य की मृत्यु के बाद व्यक्ति की बेटों और पत्नी को भूमि का बराबर हिस्सा मिल सकता है. This law helps women who could not own farmland before. Now, if a farmer has a son and a daughter, both can get an equal shares of the land when their father passes away. This rule is applicable across the country, but only to Hindu families. Other communities in India, such as Muslims and Christians, have different laws governing the inheritance of property. यह कानून उन महिलाओं की मदद करता है जो पहले खेती की जमीन नहीं खरीद पाती थी. अब अगर किसी किसान के पास बेटा और बेटी है तो पिता के निधन के बाद दोनों को जमीन का बराबर हिस्सा मिल सकता यह नियम पूरे देश में लागू है, लेकिन सिर्फ हिंदू परिवारों पर भारत में अन्य समुदाय जैसे कि मुस्लिम और ईसाई के पास संपत्ति के उत्तराधिकार को नियंत्रित करने वाले अलग अलग कानून हैं। आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू। समझ रहे, स्टडी वेल।